When lights go down, I see no reason for you to cry. We've been through these before in every time, in every season. Got us have tried, so please don't ask for more. Can you see it in my eyes? Well, this might be our last things they change, I'm ready for maybe we'll meet again. Can see it in my eyes. This might be our last goodbye. Things may change. Carry, carry, maybe we'll things they change, my maybe we'll meet again. Oh, somewhere. When lights go down.
Ang galing-galing! Mga kaibigan, the one who made us all proud. Ang nagpabigay po sa atin na iba ang talentong Pinoy. Jovit Bob Divino! Hi!
Maraming salamat po sa mga kapamilya.
Sobrang nagulat ako pagpasok mo, ibang klase. Grabe ang boses. Ang ganda-ganda ng boses. Very, very powerful, hindi ba? Lahat kami humanga sa'yo. Ano mo, yung talento mo talaga. Pero may isang tao daw na talaga namang sobrang pinabilib mo. And we have him now live on Phone Patch.
That's right.
Sorpresa to para sa'yo. Hello?
Hello.
Ang ASAP XP kapamilya natin, Mr. Arnel Pineda!
Hello!
Hi, Arnel!
Hi!
Hello po.
Hello, Jovi. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yeah. It's very, very good job.
Thank you po.
Sana mahalin mo yung yung opportunity mo. And I'm looking forward in sing with you side by side. Yes,
Thank you po.
Ay, inaabangan niya ng lahat, Arnel. Hi, Arnel. Si Shasha to.
Hello, hi!
Asan ka ngayon?
Kumusta po? Alam nyo, hindi na gumagod ang TV namin dito. I can't see you guys, but yes.
Oh, but we can hear you,
Yes, we can
Arnel.
hear
This is
you,
Gary
Arnel.
V, and I
Yes.
just want to say thank you so much for giving the opportunity. Narinig kasi namin na talagang napabilib talaga.
Oh, yes,
Talaga
yes, yes.
kay
Grabe.
Jovit.
I think that night he was really shining.
Well,
He's the
we're looking forward to seeing you and him shine right here on ASAP XV, Arnel. So
Here, I'm
when you
very,
come
very
back,
excited. So see you.
well, God bless you, Arnel.
God bless you guys too.
All right.
Jovi, congratulations. Keep it up.
Abangan niyo po yung debut album ko under Star Records this coming July po. Yan.
Lapit na yan, ah.
Kasama ko din po yung tatlo pong grand finalists na sila Ezra Band, Sherwin, and Barky. Yan. Thank you po.
Sigurado maganda yung album niya, Under Star.
Under Star.
Okay, Under Star Records. Thank you very much, Jovic.
Thank you po.
And of course, thank you very much to Arnel. Talagang aabangan natin
Yes,
yung duet
yes,
na yun
yes.
dito sa ASAP. Alright?
So abangan nyo rin yung album, bagong album ni Jovit Baldivino. The first PGT winner right here on ASAP XV. Don't go away!